Hey everybody, Dr. Frost again. We're back with the second episode of what we call the Head to Toe Ache video series. Today we're talking about neck and upper back pain. And the typical causes of that, of course, are going to be stress and posture. Typically, computer posture where the head is forward flexed, and really the physiology is good to know here in that our head weighs about 8 to 12 pounds. It's balanced on this carrot stick called your neck, and in that posture it weighs 8 to 12 pounds. But when you move it forward, it doesn't weigh 8 to 12 pounds anymore. It weighs 20 pounds, and if you move it 2 inches off axis, it can weigh up to 30 pounds. So you've got these muscles back here trying to hold a 10-pound object up that's now 3 times its weight. So you can see why muscles become fatigued, then they become tight, then they start irritating the little nerve endings that are associated with them, and guess what? We have neck and upper back pain. So that's fine, but what are we going to do about it? Well, we're going to try and deal with this nerve irritation by what I call drop, stop, and distract. So we're going to try and drop everything that we're doing, right? So stop your workstation activity. Try to get into a more comfortable, natural position with the head back. Remember, that's where it weighs the least. And I want you to just be quiet. Try to breathe, what I call 3 times 15. Try to do 3 regular breaths over a 15-second period, and just breathe naturally. The next thing you can do is drink a glass of water while you're resting, because a lot of times when muscles get irritated, they get dehydrated, and we want to return some good hydration. The other thing is we want to increase the oxygen. Your breathing will help you do that. And the third thing is we want to give you back your normal mechanics, which means range of motion. So 3 things that you can do that are very easy is one I call the half moon. Just turn your head to the left as far as it'll go, and then trace a half moon with your chin through an arc to the other side of your shoulder. The second thing is to maximize your rotation. To do that, simply grab your chin and push it as far as it'll go comfortably and hold it there for a 3 count. And then turn and push it in the other direction and hold it at the end range there for a 3 count. The third thing I want you to do is what I call a turtle's head. Put your hand on your chest, and I want you to think of yourself like a turtle's head coming out of its shell. Let your head come forward, backward, just like a turtle's head would come out of the shell on a standard glide, not up and down, just straight out, forward, backward. There you go, 3 easy things that you can do to treat your own neck and upper back pain. Hope that helps. See you soon.